Pawpaw leaves are believed to turn gray hairs to black naturally, and in today's video we're going to be putting that to the test. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to be using 2 pawpaw leaves to put this to the test. I've been seeing a lot of videos that show that you can actually turn your gray hairs to black rather, and that pawpaw leaves can actually promote hair growth. In my last video I tried using pawpaw leaves, and in today's video as well I'm going to be trying my hands on pawpaw leaves, because these things you have to use them consistently over time in order to see great results. So if you've not watched that video, you can go ahead and check it out now. So pawpaw leaf is said to promote hair growth, prevent balding and thinning of hair. It is often found in anti-dandruff shampoos because its alkaloid component is effective in removing dirt and oil from your scalp. The folic acid that papaya contains, as well as vitamin C, both improve circulation throughout the body, including the scalp. The scalp is fed the nutrients and minerals that are needed to produce healthy hair growth and stimulate the sebaceous glands. These leaves are high in vitamins A, B, C, and E, and minerals like calcium, phosphorus, and iron. The leaves also have a high level of phytochemicals like saponins, tannins, alkaloids, and flavonoids. So in today's video I'm going to be using 2 leaves, blending them well and trying to extract the juice, as you can see from the video. If you have ever used pawpaw leaves in order to stimulate hair growth, please go ahead and give me a huge thumbs up, or just type papaya in the comment section down below. So right now I'm going to be using a stocking cap in order to extract the juice. Although papaya leaves are the first ingredient, you're going to use 2 more ingredients, so just stay put so that you can see those 2 ingredients are used here in order to promote stimulate hair growth, as well as turn gray hair to black naturally. So that is all the chaff we got from extracting the juice. As you can see, I did not press the stocking cap so hard because I didn't want those chaff in my juice, and it's looking all green and beautiful. I really love this. So the second ingredient we're going to use is this honey, and it's organic honey, y'all. Here we just put it in bottles like this. So honey helps to prevent dry scalp and remove buildup. It's also a natural humectant, which means that it pulls moisture from the atmosphere into the strands to combat dryness, and it also helps in managing the hair. So in this video I used 2 tablespoons of that honey. I'm also going to be using castor oil. You already know the benefits of applying castor oil to the scalp will help moisturize the scalp and also reduce flaking. Castor oil also helps in increasing flexibility and decreasing the chances of hair breakage. So last but not the least, I used coconut oil because it is extremely moisturizing and it helps with damaged hair, and it can help to encourage hair growth. So why not? So I mix this all up together, and I'm going to be putting it in my spray bottle, which later I'm going to be using it to apply on my hair topically from roots to ends. So this is how it's looking right now. So beautiful, so green. I love green stuff. Alright guys, if you have other DIYs you want me to try, this is the best time for you to leave it in a comment section down below. I am pumped to use this. Unfortunately, I do not have, or fortunately rather, I do not have white hair, but I'm going to be using this to promote hair growth. If you have watched this video up until this point, this is the best time for you to give me a huge thumbs up. This is to encourage me, and this will help my video get promoted by YouTube. So you are helping me, so thank you.